Alright, hi everyone. This is a quick tutorial to show you how to start an Xcode project, how to open it up. We're going to do a test, just a test project here. You can download the Xcode file from Apple. I've got the latest version 4.5.2 as of this recording. So go ahead and open it up. And you can create a new Xcode project here. And on the left hand side, depending on what you want to do, you want to, for the iOS application, Cocos 2D is for gaming. So if you want to build a game, you can use that. I believe, yeah, I had to download and install that separately. So we're going to pick application here to start with. And we'll start with a single view application just as a basic how-to. Go ahead and click next. Product name, this will be a test app. Organization, company identifier, you don't have to have this stuff. If you're planning to upload this to the store, you will need either organization name or your name. The company identifier usually starts with a com. It'll be com dot. If you open a personal account, it will be your personal name. Bundle identifier, Apple automatically creates, and that will you'll also have to coordinate that with the App Store once you get ready to upload. The class prefix is going to be test app. That's for when you create classes. Once you get your project started on the left hand side here, the classes you create will have a prefix of whatever you decide to put here. Actually, I'm just going to make that TA. No need to have a really long one. So devices universal, use storyboards, yes, use automatic reference counting. That's to help manage memory. I'm just going to say yes for now. And then you click next. Figure out where you want to save it, which will be, for me, tests and examples. And then click create local Git repository. That is to help with version control. I like to do that because if you get the app working and you want to modify something and you're not sure exactly how you want to do it, a Git repository will help you. You can create a branch off of your current project and work on the branch. And if your modifications don't work out, you just revert to the main branch, or your main project that you started with, and so you don't lose anything. You don't have to change anything or try to figure out how you messed it up. So I always like to use the local Git repository. I'll have another tutorial showing how to use that a bit later on. So go ahead and click create, and you have xcode will go ahead and create your project for you. Here we go. This is what the home screen looks like. You have your application files on the left hand side here, where all of your files and all of your classes will be defined. Your storyboard, we'll get into this stuff more later, but that's where you can set up your user interface. You can also do it by code. These are your for every class that you create, it has a .h and a .m file. We'll get into that more later too. This is where you define your classes. You have the .h file is where you declare or define your classes, and then the .m file is where you write all of your methods, all of your functions to that is the behavior of that particular class. So that's all there is to creating a new project. We'll get into more detail as to what to do and where to go after this in a later tutorial. So that is it for now.